Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Maxie Makes Nurturing Creativity. This is how the box comes, like that. Alright, first it looks like we have two little sheets. Oh, it's one sheet, it was folded. Okay, I don't know if that's interfacing or what's that going to be used for. I'll get this out of the box. Okay, it comes packaged like that. Okay. Alright. We have 100% cotton thread by Gutermann. It's a light, I think it's a light gray. Let me see, does it say? No, it says 110 yards. Color number 9045. Doesn't actually say a color. We have a friction pin, and it's a clicker, which, oh, I love these. So the cap, there's no cap on it, you just click it. And it is erasable. Not that this is eraser now. It's talking about an eraser. And it is black. And then we have a Creative Grids 1.5 by 6.5 ruler. We have organic lemon ginger tea, which right now I feel like I need some tea or some coffee or something nice and hot in my throat. And then we have some fabric, which, okay, so it is pre-cut out. Let me show you here. And it is by We Are Fabrics. Looks like artgalleryfabrics.com. Hashtag imprint fabrics. So there's the first color. That's a green. It comes folded like that size. The one right next to it is a really light, it's a white on cream, I believe you call that. And then the same thing, but more of it. So let me pull it out here, about like that. Okay. Now we have a pattern next, and it says it says Magic Tricks from the Math Whisperer, punched out star pillow. So I think what they've done is they've taken that challenge of a block and made it a lot easier. So what they're giving us is batting and muslin. So here is, oops, the batting. Boy, is that ever nice. So there's the batting. Here's the muslin. And muslin always has these, well, most muslin now, because you can get it in colors. But if you get it in this, it's got those little bitty pieces of multicolor, the little polka dots, little teeny weeny things woven within it. Let's see, what else does it say? We got the pattern here, the friction pin, the thread, the ruler, the tea, but we have this fabric here, which is really, really pretty also. And let me get an idea. This is there we go. There's a lot of fabric. That's pretty. And yes, it is 100% cotton. Set this aside here. Okay. It says, what you will learn. Cindy's unique method of making accurate, fast, square and a square units in any size. Cindy's technique for turning a square and a quarter block into a star block in any size. Both techniques we're learning from Cindy Williams' book. It is a book of quick piecing techniques. And you can find them on her website. And her website is, and she's got two different ones. So she has onion.mountain@frontier.com, and she has themathwhisperer.wordpress.com. And then let's open it up and take a look. So it is called Sawtooth Star from a Square in a Square. And if any of you have ever done a square in a square, it'll be similar to that there. Now, I do not know when I'm going to have a chance to get this done, but yes, I'm going to do it because I'm really curious to know how she's done that method. So that is everything in the box this month for September. Yes, I know it's October. I'm behind. As a matter of fact, all my boxes are going to be coming at the end of this month, so in a couple weeks I'll have a whole bunch more boxes. But I am way behind doing a lot of other things, which when I get all the things done that I'm doing behind the scenes, I will show you what I've done and what I'm doing with them. Okay, so everybody take care. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe and click on the little bell so you know when I will put out another video. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put another one out right after this in about an hour. Okay? Thanks. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.